Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. Today's video going to be about a storage organizer for your makeup. So lately I have been getting a lot of makeup products and I'm running out of space. So I said, hey, let me just go ahead and do a video about making a storage organizers for your makeup. So everything I brought in this video is from Dollar Tree. Everything. So this is balling on a budget. So I'm going to jump right into the video.
Shorty fast.
Okay, you guys, so right now I'm just hot gluing the diamond strip to the tray. The hot glue sticks I'm using, I believe it's Gorilla glue sticks or something like that. I got from Walmart. I didn't have them, so I'm just gluing along the diamond strips on the edge of the tray. And I'm going to go ahead and take that all the way around the diamond strip. I'll take it all the way around till it fills the whole edges of the tray. And you will see it coming up soon. Here we go. So now I'm just gluing the last edge of the tray. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look of me adding the diamond strips around the tray. Now this was a napkin holder in a butter container that I went ahead and glued off camera. I just glued it with a hot glue gun and stuck it to the top. And then now I'm going to go ahead and put some diamond strips around the butter container in the front just to give it a little decoration. And you will see that finished part soon. Okay, and that's how it looks. And I'm going to glue it down to the tray. So I went ahead and did the other one off camera with the glue strip. And I'm going ahead and I'm going to glue it down to the tray as well. I'm just showing you guys where I'm putting the hot glue at. And let me tell you guys, this glue was sticking so hard. Like, I messed up in some spots and I literally couldn't pull the friggin' thing apart. So I just left it. But it still came out nice at the end. And here you see me sticking it down. And this how it look with both of the napkin and butter containers stuck down to the tray. So now this is just a glass bowl that I also got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just adding the little same decorations. Everything gonna be like a little routine. I'm adding the same decoration around it, and I'm gonna put some little pearl circle things, crystal looking things at the bottom just to decorate the bottom, as you see me doing now. I also got these from Dollar Tree. Okay, so and this how it looked once I was finished adding all the little crystal looking circles to the bottom. So this was a tall clear glass that I also got from Dollar Tree. I went ahead and spray painted red off camera. It dried less, like that spray can, it dried less than 5 minutes. So now I'm just adding diamonds to the top of the cup, just to add a little bit more decorations again, and you will see it come along. Okay, so right now I just went ahead and glued the bottom of these glasses down to the tray. These glasses gonna be my brush holders. So yeah, I'm just gluing it down right now, and you will see the finishing results of this tray soon. Okay. And there we have it. So now I'm just adding little pearls just to bring some more red color to it. And here we go. That's the final, the ending of that tray. And now I would just have to draw through. So I went ahead and glued these two together. I add diamonds on the little handle parts just to bring out the little bling. And I'm going to stack these up in brick form, like how you would stack bricks up, just to bring a little different design to it. I didn't want everything to be straight up. So my sister actually gave me that little idea, and I really liked it. So I went ahead and just stacked them up like in a brick form. And you will see that coming up in the next scene, how I'm stacking them up and how it comes out at the end. Okay, so I'm just adding some blings to the side that are sticking out, and here we go. That went by so fast. These are the other set of drawers. I went ahead and stacked it up. And let me tell you guys, I ordered this from the Dollar Tree site, and I ordered it by the package. So 12 come in a package and for $12. So 12 of those jars come in a package for $12 because the Dollar Trees by my house, they never have these things. They always sold out. So I went ahead and looked online and I seen they sold them by the package. I'm actually going to go ahead and buy like a couple of more cases of these because these things are like legit usable. Like, I also need to make something like this for all my nail things, like my acrylic nails, my gel nails. I have so much stuff in boxes. So I may do another video like this for all my nail things. Oh, and this, I went ahead and took this apart because I forgot I had this jar and I wanted to stick it to the top. So now this is how this look at the end. Yeah, I went ahead and took it apart. And boy, did I have a hard time taking that apart. So here.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your NicoleXOXO.
What else you say?
So today I'm going to be making stuff for my makeup.
So yeah, that was a little tip of my daughter trying to be like me. These kids. So here I am setting everything up in my room on a dresser. Just getting all my brushes and different things. I don't know what I was saying right now. Maybe I don't know. Anywho, this thing came definitely in handy. I had so much makeup stuff on my bed. I was just organizing everything. And it really did come in handy. Like, I'm glad that I made this today because it really definitely came in handy. So you'll just see me basically filling everything up inside the drawers, setting it up. Here is the finishing results. This is my vanity mirror. So this was for the beauty sponges. That's why I needed that, because I needed somewhere to put my beauty sponges. So that was for that. Palettes, my highlighters, blushes. So basically what I'm going to do with these, I was like thinking like, what the hell I'm going to do with these? So I have like the dip makeup. So what I'm going to do is use these to dap it on here when I'm doing my makeup instead of putting it on my hand. So there go a full view of everything that I made.
Shorty bad, slim, big. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix.